Yeah. So guys, we're at Suneta Mall building A right now at Pepper Lunch. We're gonna have our early lunch. No, we're gonna have our lunch.
Yeah. Kasi
And,
so tired na.
yeah, I haven't had a good sleep last night because I imagined some things that I should not imagine. I don't know why. We're waiting for our order.
It's our first time here eating. And it's so...
It's so...
We'll see, guys. So, that's his order. That? That's supreme. Big size. It has shrimp, chicken, beef, and pork. Yeah, they're all shrimp. You don't like shrimp?
Hindi, tanggap na daw ko.
And there's my order.
May kulay tayo na dito.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's cherry chicken. Wait lang, guys. Baka muna. Init naman. Inhalo mo lang, chichi.
Tama na. Tama na. Tarot-tarot na.
Ay, wait.
Nakawat na yun. Wala.
Gusto ko na lang.
Tulog ka kami.
Ako nga kaya ambot na ganitong.
Bongga pa mo.
Gusto mo try? Malamit mo lang sa ako. Pag may anugat sa rabay.
Mobile one? Mobile one? Oh, mobile one to? Ano to? Mastig naman.
Diba?
Tender chicken. Nagdudugay sa lamig.
Ano?
Kamusta yung first experience sa Pepperland? Ano ang iyong masasabi?
I'm not for pepper lunch.
Init mo yan. Eh, wag ka lang mundo mo. Wag ka lang. Oh, ayun na na.
Busog dahil ako.
Ayun na na.
Dalawa ta?
Oh.
Okay.
Ito niyan na. Parang bumalagalay ng kapat. Oh. Ito bulusan eh. Tinidor mo adi ah.
Ang lamig.
Bakit? Sigan na ako magdalamig.
Ano ako naman?
Lamig na mo?
Where? It's all for today, guys.